All right, so we're going to go over how to create an email template, an email template. And for the email templates, you can pretty much create these to have a design already for a set of emails that you like to send out with your branding on it. And then you can just fill in the information if it's different. And the other thing is you can create them to customize your contracts that you want to send emails out for, your received contracts, email that you would get back. You can also use it for any type of email that you want to send out that would be the same for everybody except for just the name that you want to change, because of the client, of course, you want to be able to customize it per client or personalize it per client by just changing the name. But you can do that inside the email template. So let's go ahead. I'll show you how to set one up really quick and show you how you can name it and save it on there to use for future use. All right, so on the left-hand side here, we're going to go to marketing. On the menu, up at the top, we have emails, and then we're going to click on templates. Okay, so I have a sample one here that I've already created, but we will create a new one, and we'll do this one actually from blank. You can do one from a template that's already out there, and I'll show you what that actually looks like as well too. So there's some templates out here that you can use. So you don't have to create one from scratch. And if you want to just use a template, that's fine. But in this tutorial, we're going to go and I'll show you how to do one from scratch, because the template ones are pretty easy and easy to follow, because all you have to do is change the information out. So let's click on this blue button again. We're going to do blank template, and then we're going to click on the visual drag and drop editing, the design editor. So we're going to select that. All right, so we're just going to add some basic information on here. So let's say we want to create an email that we like to send out that let's add a button on there with our logo or whatnot inside of the email as well too. So let's drag over an image, because we're going to add a logo here. Let's see. And we'll do this as we go as well too. So on the left-hand side, we'll select an image. So we're going to click on the pencil here to upload from media library. And we're just going to click go with our sample logo that we normally go with. And then we're going to make this just a little bit smaller here, so it won't take over the whole email. We don't want it suffocating it. So, okay. So let's say we're just going to insert some information here for a signed contract. Okay, so let's say we're going to insert some text information. So, hello. And we're going to make sure this is customized to the customer's name. So let's add that piece in there as well too. Okay, so up here at the top, we're going to click on custom values. I need to make sure my cursor's in the right spot. Click on custom values up here at the top. And then we're going to go to contact. And let's just do a first name. All right. Put a comma in there. And I actually want to make this a little bit smaller. Let's see. It's a little too small. Let's do that. We can also change the font here. We can change the type of font. The size here, and then the font where it says Arial as well too. We can change the color. We can highlight, bold it, just like you would in a Google Doc. You can change all that stuff up here. So let's type some text in here. Here's your contract for you to sign at your earliest convenience. Please click the button below to access when you are ready. Okay, so let's see. We're going to X this out. We're going to add a button here. So we're going to click on our element and drag it on over. We're going to put it right up under there. Okay, so now to make sure that the button goes to where you want it to, we want to actually connect it to our contract. So in the link URL section, we're going to put in document name, and I copied and pasted here just to make this go faster. But we're going to put 2 brackets, document.name, and then 2 close brackets. Make sure you put in these specific type of brackets. Okay, so we're going to change our button text. So sign contract here. And let's add a footer on here as well too. Let's drop that in there. And you see it already has some information that it'll automatically fill in here. So it'll have your copyright, the today's year, and your business name, has your business email, all that stuff will fill in by itself when it sends out. And then that's how you can send out a customized, that's how you can create a customized template. We're going to make sure we save it. So in the upper right hand corner, we're going to click on save template. Actually, let's name this first so that we can find it later. Okay, actually, let me do this. Sign contract, and then we'll hit save template. All right, and then so now your template is saved. So we'll go back, and then you'll see where the template has been uploaded at. So all right, so here's our signed template.